Prod Squad, what it do, man? It's your boy Johnny here at JRTProductions, back with another video. Man, look at this beautiful Saturday morning. If the exposure would get right, you could just see the natural blue skies. Not a cloud in the sky, but either way, just believe me when I say it's nice out. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, man, and we about to go on and get the day started. We got a lot going on, so I'm not gonna waste any time. So we're gonna go on and get this cold start on this beautiful RT Challenger back here. Behold. Sounds so good waking up, boy. Anyway, man, so as you can see, I'm here. I'm in my gym attire. So first things first, man, we got to get to the gym. Hold on 1 second. It's got some shit on it. Yeah. All right, man. So anyway, like I said, man, we about to go on to the gym, bust this workout out, man. And then I got another thing for y'all, man. We're going to check out a car show today out in Kennesaw. It's at the Varsity Town Center Mall. It's around that area, you know what I'm saying? So we just gonna go out there and we just gonna check it out and see how it is, man. Anyway, I got my pre-workout on my hand, man. I'm about to go on and bust this down. We're about to get on to this gym, knock this workout out, and I'll see y'all on the way to the car show. Rah! What it do, Prod Squad, man? We back. I'm finished with the gym, man. Got me a good workout in today. So now we up here at this little hand car wash spot, man. You know what I'm saying? So we just gonna go up in here and let them put some hands on the old RT, man. Go on and get that thing cleaned up, get it nice, and then we're gonna ride on out to Kennesaw and check out this car show, man. We're gonna see what they got. We're gonna stunt just a little bit. It's a real nice day out, man. It is kind of hot. I mean, it's 86 right now, but yeah, man, we're gonna go out there and check it out, man, and see what they got going on. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm out. All right, Prod Squad. So we out here in Kennesaw, around the Varsity area. Let's check out some of these rides they got out here. This is just one side of it.
About 3 balls, ain't it? That's working on it. That's working on it.
Everybody go.
That some bitch loud as fuck.
Y'all not gonna get in it.
Right, like we're the rest of really not doing this with us?
Donna, Marquis.
All right, y'all. Well, That's it, man. We was out here in Kennesaw, crossing the varsity. Ended up running in the bad Hemi's 300. His head turners gang. Take a look at him one more time.
Hey, what's the gas station? They gonna be what you do.
All them cars amazing, man. Killing it.
Oh, y'all are?
Yeah, man, we about to go and close out this video, man. This is Johnny with JRT Productions. If this is your first time at the channel, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, man. If you're on social media, you can find me on Instagram at JRTProductions3, J_Roxy on Snapchat, man. There you go, man. Yes, sir, yes, sir. So yeah, man, we about to get on up out of here. Man, y'all stay blessed, man. Stay safe out here in these streets, man. This is Johnny JRT Productions, man. I'm out. Peace.